Have you ever tried asking Gemini to create a video, but the result looked kinda meh? Today I'll show you how to use Gemini to generate professional-looking videos, and more importantly, how to write advanced JSON prompts that make a real difference. Stick around till the end, because I'll share a full copy and paste example. Let's start with the basics. Gemini is Google's multimodal AI model that can generate text, images, and, in the Pro plans, even videos. The video generation feature is powered by the VO model, which can create ultra-realistic clips from a detailed prompt. So if you type "a dog running on the beach at sunset," Gemini will generate exactly that. But the real magic happens when you use a JSON prompt. A JSON prompt is a structured way to tell Gemini what you want, how you want it, and in what style. Instead of writing one long sentence, you give Gemini clear instructions in blocks. Example. That way, Gemini doesn't have to guess. It knows exactly what to create. Now let's go step by step. 1. Go to GeminiGoogle.com. If you're on the free plan, you can only generate text or storyboard ideas. To generate actual videos, you need Gemini Advanced AI Pro. 2. Write your prompt in JSON format. Include scene style, camera movement, lighting, format, and duration. The more structured it is, the better the visual result. 3. Define the tone and mood. You can even add a block like this. 4. Preview and refine. If the output doesn't look right, tweak your JSON. Change lighting, camera, or length. The key is iteration. Gemini learns from the context of your previous prompt. Here are my 5 best tips for getting wow-level results with Gemini. 1. Think like a director. Focus on camera, lighting, lens, and movement. 2. Use visual, specific terms. Skip beautiful or realistic. Say 4K cinematic shot. 3. Add a context block. Explain the purpose. Add social clip, short film. 4. Check aspect ratio and duration. Gemini follows those exactly. 5. Iterate with small JSON tweaks. That's how you find the perfect style. Now it's your turn. Head to Gemini, paste the sample JSON prompt, and create your first AI video in minutes. If you want the exact prompt file I use, check the link in the description. And remember, you don't need to be a coder. Just talk to Gemini like a film director. Leave a like if you want more videos on advanced prompts for Gemini or Sora, and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorials.